Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate ultra-personalized messages for your cold email outreach very easily. First of all, the first step is to have a contact file. You need a file that you have scraped from LinkedIn. Sales Navigator. In Emelia, you have the LinkedIn scraper. There's a video about this on the YouTube channel. Why do we need to scrape LinkedIn? Sales Navigator. Because when we scrape LinkedIn, we retrieve the profile information. So we get their description, and we also retrieve information about their company. And so the more information we have about the prospect, the better the AI can personalize the messages in a highly relevant way. Once you've scraped your file, you click on Find Email Addresses. Once you've found the email addresses, you can download only those with email addresses. There's no point in generating messages if we weren't able to find the address's email. We're also going to launch the Magic Writer soon for LinkedIn prospecting. Overall, you could already use it, but normally LinkedIn messages are supposed to be a bit shorter. We're going to do it soon. If it's something you're interested in, feel free to mention it in the comments of this video. Once you've downloaded your file, go to Tools in Magic Writer. Click on Import a file, upload your file here, and you'll be able to describe what you're selling. So you provide the name of your company, describe your services, your products, your unique selling point, the clients you've worked with, your competitive advantage, etc. You should provide as much information as possible. At least 200 characters, you need to write that much. And at most 1000. There's no point in giving too much information to the AI. It adapts very well. Next, you choose the language. So if it's in English, it's easier. If it's in French, there are 2 or 3 additional pieces of information you need to provide for certain grammar rules. And if you need additional languages, if you need Spanish, Portuguese, or other languages, feel free to let us know in the comments of this video or directly through Emelia support. It's very quick for us to add them. So once it's filled out, you can preview it on one of the contexts to see how it looks. We've tested the AI in every possible way. We already have quite a few users who are using it. We even ran tests where we said things like, I'm selling organic chicken, etc. And it generated messages that were really good, even if we were writing to vegans. Then you click on Run, and here, just a quick note, whether you're sending a file with 10 prospects or one with 1000, overall it takes about an hour. We use AI from the company Anthropic, which you might know under the name Claude. And actually this allows you to access AI at a lower cost than it would normally be if you were doing it on your own. Well, for us, it works with our credit system, so it's 5 credits to generate a highly personalized sequence per contact. So if you have a file with 1000 contacts, that would be 5000 credits. And so it's not just a message or just an icebreaker that we generate per contact. It's really a sequence of 4 emails per contact, and that's how we're able to offer it to you at such a low cost. We have something with Anthropic that makes it a bit slower, which is what makes it cheaper. And our goal over time is to make it even more affordable. We could use other AIs, but there's no AI that writes as well as Anthropic. So you receive an email once the generation is complete. Then you download your file. All that's left is to create a campaign. I already made a test campaign, but we'll do it again. So let's go. You create your email campaign, you have the general settings, the mailbox settings, and the sending email. Then you import your contact list. I had a test file. The email is already matched. Here I had a file in French, so we need to do it. Match first name and last name. Okay, so you have the columns with the subjects, the messages that were generated, and the messages themselves. So all of that needs to be set as custom in order to import it into the campaign and use it. Next time, when you add a second file, it will automatically match the columns. But the first time, you have to do it manually. We're going to make sure that it matches right from the start very soon in Emelia. So we import. In the campaign, how does it work? You just need to insert the variables. Email subject 1, then add variable email message 1. Step 2. Email subject 2, you could leave it blank here in step 2, step 3, if you don't want to change the subject in each message. Alright, so I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but basically you need to do email 1, email 2, email 3, up to email 4. Then you can preview the messages. You can send yourself a test email just to be sure how it comes out. If you want to send yourself a test email, feel free to actually send yourself step 4. That way, in the test email, you also get the full history. You can be sure everything comes out correctly and that you haven't mixed up the subjects and messages. Overall, in the message, you also need to add your signature if you have one. Otherwise, you can just write it manually. And of course, add the unsubscribe link, which you can also customize. So there you go. Overall, it's as simple as that. I encourage you to try out the Magic Writer because we use it, and all our cold email campaigns are entirely generated with AI, and it really boosts the response rate by 2 to 3 times. Feel free to give us feedback or comments if you need more advanced features. Let us know. And the Magic Writer will continue to evolve. Have a great day. See you soon.